Look at your favorite chair, the plush, oversized recliner you sink into every evening. You bought it because you thought it was resting your bad back. It isn't. That chair is a biomechanical trap, and it is actively paralyzing you. You think the zero-gravity lean is providing relief, but what it is actually doing is shutting down the only muscles keeping you out of a wheelchair. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why your favorite comfort habit is the reason you can barely stand up in the morning. When you sit at that 135-degree reclined angle, your body undergoes a catastrophic structural shift. First, your core stabilizers completely disengage. They go dead. Without those muscles holding your spine upright, the entire weight of your upper torso collapses directly onto your lower lumbar discs, specifically L4 and L5. You're literally crushing the shock absorbers in your spine. But the real danger happens below the waist. It is a clinical condition called gluteal amnesia, or dead butt syndrome. Because the chair is supporting your entire pelvis, your glute muscles and your hamstrings stop firing entirely. If you sit like this for 4 to 6 hours a day, those muscles begin to rapidly atrophy. They literally forget how to contract. This is the missing link. This is why you get that sharp, shooting sciatica pain down your leg when you walk to the kitchen. It isn't just old age. It is because your crushed lumbar discs are pinching your sciatic nerve, and your dead glute muscles are no longer strong enough to hold your pelvis stable when you walk. Every time you struggle to get out of that deep chair, forced to rock forward and push violently off the armrests, you are feeling the end-stage results of sarcopenia, age-related muscle wasting, accelerated by the very furniture you thought was keeping you safe. You cannot undo years of decay by simply sitting up straight for 5 minutes, but you can stop the bleeding right now. Tomorrow morning, you are going to practice active sitting. Find a firm, wooden dining chair. Sit on the front edge. Keep your feet flat on the floor, and force your own core to hold you upright. Do this for just 15 minutes a day to force your brain to send signals back to those dead muscles. If you have been spending hours in a recliner, your lower back is already paying the price. I am releasing a full, step-by-step lumbar rebuild routine in my next video. Hit the subscribe button right now so you do not miss it. And tell me in the comments below, exactly how many hours a day do you spend in your recliner? Let's fix this together.